Hi guys, welcome to Coding Beetle, and in this video we will learn about Java's math class. So Java's math class has many methods that allow you to perform mathematical tasks on numbers. For example, if you want to find out the maximum between two numbers, so you can using the max method in math. Let me show you. Here you have to write math.max, and within that you can write any two number. It will be 15 and 20. So let's save it and run, and you can see we will get 20 as it was the maximum number. And if you want to get the minimum number, you can use math.min, which is used to find out the minimum value between two numbers. Here you can see we got 15 as it was the minimum value. You can also find out the square root of a number, and for that you have to write math.sqrt, that is the short form of square root. Let me write 64, and you can see we will get 8 because square root of 64 is 8. You can see there are also few more, like power of a number. For that you have to use math.power, and the first number will be the number that you want to do the power of, and let me give 2, and the second number will be 3. So as you know, 2 to the power 3 is 8, so we will get 8. Here you can see we got 8. And math also allows us to get the absolute value, that is always the positive value of our number. For that you have to use math.abs, and within that you can give any value, negative or positive, and you will get the positive value only. Let it be 8.7, and if we run, you can see we will get the positive value, that is only 8.7 and not the minus there. Here you can see we got 8.7. And math also provides us a random method which returns a random number between 0.0 to 1.0. For that, let's use random, and when we run it, we will get any number between 0.0 to 1.0. and here you can see we got the number, that is 0.71. means very long number. It is a double type data type. And that's it for this video guys, and I will meet you in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.